there is, suppose here there is a table. One table is there like this. This is the table. This is the table. Horizontal table is there. On the table, a chain is kept on the table. The length of the chain is L, such that some part of the chain is hanging from the table, hanging freely from the table. See, this is the chain. Like this. Some part of the chain is hanging freely from the table, so that the chain does not fall. So here, what is the length of the chain hanging from the table so that the chain does not fall from the table? Question. And what is the fractional length of the chain hangs from the table so that the chain does not fall? What is the percentage of the length hanging from the chain, hanging from the table so that the chain does not fall? This is actual. So చూద్దాం మనం. The total length of the chain is L. Capital L is the total length of the chain. The మొత్తం length capital L. And mass of the chain is capital M. Total mass of the chain is capital M. This is total mass of the chain. And between that chain and table surface, there is a quotient of friction is mu. This is the quotient of friction. It is at rest means the quotient of friction is static friction. Quotient of static friction. Some part of the chain is hanging from the table. So what is the length of the chain hanging from the table? And this is the length of the chain hanging from the table. That is smaller. So what is the mass of the chain hanging from the table? Is smaller. Small m is the mass of the chain hanging from the table. So chain fall avukunda undi ante arthame. మరి ఈ part of the chain hang అవుతున్నా కూడా chain does not slides down from the table. Table నుంచి slide అవుతుంది. What is the meaning of that? Actually, here the weight of this part of the chain is acting downwards. The weight of this part of the chain. So the weight of this part of the chain is hanging from the table. This is the weight is acting vertically downwards. So this is mg. మరి ఈ వెయిట్ ఎందుకు ఇలా యాక్ట్ అవుతున్నా కూడా ఇది ఫాలో అవట్లేదు అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది in this direction. That force is exactly equal and opposite to the weight. So ఇక్కడ యాక్టివ్ ఫోర్స్ ఏంటి? There is a frictional force. Frictional force is active. The frictional force of this part of the chain is equal to the weight of this part of the chain. The frictional force between the table and this part of the chain is equal to the weight of this part of the chain. Then the chain does not slide from the table. Table నుంచి slide out. అసలు ఎంత frictional force ఉంది? This I call it Fs. And see that what is the mass of the chain on the table? The mass of the chain on the table is, so total mass is capital M and this mass is small m. The mass of the chain on the table is m minus m. This is the mass of the chain on the table. Right? Mass of the chain on the table is m minus m. And see that there is this m minus m into g is acting downwards. This is m minus m, this weight is acting downwards. There is a normal reaction. This normal reaction is n. And you know the frictional force is equal to mu s into n here. This frictional force is equal to mu s into n means m minus m into g. Okay, m minus m into g. So this Fs is acting like this and mg is acting downwards. If these two are equal, then what is it? So the chain does not slide down from the table. Table nunchi chain slide out. And if you choose the here, there is for L length. See, for L length, the mass of the chain is m. For L length, total length. For total length, what is the mass? M is the mass. For unit length, what is the mass? M by L, unit length. For a small L length, what is the mass? M by L into L. This is small m. M by L into L is small m. So this is the, for L length, this is the mass of the chain that we call small m. Here the chain does not fall if chain does not fall. Here what is that? Fs is must be equal to mg. Fs is must be equal to mg. Fs means what is it? Mu s into m minus m into g is equal to mg. So this g and g is cancelled. Mu s into m minus m is equal to m. This is mu s into m minus small m. Small m is equal to capital M by L into small m. Capital M by L into small m. So is equal to capital M by L into small m. Right. So this is mu s into capital M is taken common 1 minus small l by capital L. This is equal to m into L by L. So this m and m is cancelled here. M and m is cancelled. So this is mu s into L minus L by L is equal to L by L. Okay, is equal to L by L. So LCM chesen, this L and this L is cancelled, right? So now this is mu s into capital L minus mu s into small l is equal to L. Now this is mu s into capital L is equal to mu s into small l plus L. This mu s into capital L is equal to L is taken common mu s plus 1. Okay. So the fractional length of the chain hanging from the table, small l by capital L. Small l by capital L is equal to mu s by, small l by capital L is equal to mu s by 1 plus mu s. So this is the fractional length of the chain hanging from the table. Fractional length and length of the chain hanging by total length. That is the fractional length. So this is the fractional length of the chain. fractional length of chain hanging from the table. The fractional length of the chain hanging from the table. And now the percentage of length of the chain hanging from the table. Percentage of length of chain hanging from the table. So the percentage of length of the chain hanging from the table, L by L into 100 is equal to mu S by 1 plus mu S into 100. This is the percentage of length of the chain hanging from the table. So అలా కాకుండా సపోజ్ mu S ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటే లెంత్ ఇచ్చి టోటల్ లెంత్ అండ్ హ్యాంగింగ్ లెంత్ ఇచ్చి mu S ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటే దీని నుంచి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేయచ్చు. సో ఎలా హియర్ సీ దట్. సో mu S, see, we know that mu S into capital L. So this is mu S into capital L minus small l is equal to small l. So therefore mu S is equal to small l by capital L minus small l. Small l by capital L minus small l. This is mu S and the coefficient of friction. Total length of the chain ichi and hanging part of the length of the chain ichi. Total length of the chain, capital L is the total length of the chain and small l is the length of the hanging part of the chain. So small l is length of hanging part of chain and capital L is total length of chain. Capital L is total length of the chain. If these are given, and what is mu S, and mu S is equal to small l by capital L minus small l, and suppose mu S is given and asked that what is the fractional length of the chain hanging from the table, so that the chain does not fall from that table, it does not slide from the table, and the fractional length, that is small l by capital L, mu S by 1 plus mu S, and what is the percentage of length of the chain hanging from the table, and small l by capital L into 100, that is mu S by 1 plus mu S into 100. Okay, so this is, all of you understand? అర్థమైందా? Is it clear? Yes. Yes, Tarun Krishna. Yes. Right. Right now. So next. So completed. Okay, Palas. Is completed. L is equal to m apply. L is equal to m. Capital L length ki mass capital M. Unit length ki mass capital M by L. L length ki mass small m anna. L length ki mass ఎలా ఉంటుంది m by L into L. దాన్ని ఏమన్నాను స్మాల్ m అని అన్నాను అనుకున్నాను. కాబట్టి see capital L length ki mass capital M. Unit length ki mass m by L. L length ki mass మనం m అనుకున్నాం. ఆ m ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటే m by L into L. మనం అనుకున్నాం ఈ మాస్ L length కి స్మాల్ m మాస్ ఉంది. మాస్ స్మాల్ m అనుకున్నాం. ఆ స్మాల్ m ని ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ M అండ్ లెంత్ లో చెప్పాలి అంటే m by L into L. ఓకేనా? Right? So now we'll come to the inclined planes. Inclined planes. Motion of body on an inclined plane. Motion of the body on an inclined plane. So inclined plane low, there are two. Smooth inclined plane is there. Smooth inclined plane means no friction. Smooth means no friction. Friction under it. And there is a rough inclined plane. Rough inclined plane. This is with friction. Friction will be rough inclined plane. So smooth inclined plane and rough inclined plane. First as well, inclined plane తీసుకుంటే inclined plane. So this is the inclined plane. Is the inclined plane of inclination theta. Theta is the angle of inclination. So once the body is kept on the inclined plane, see This is the body of mass M. Is kept on the inclined plane. Already in it. So the weight is, what are the forces acting on the body? The weight is acting vertically downwards. That is mg. And this mg can be resolved into components. Components, for example, one component is perpendicular to the surface. This theta, this is theta. Another component is parallel to the inclined plane. So one is perpendicular to the inclined plane, another one is parallel to the inclined plane. So perpendicular to the inclined plane is mg cos theta, and this is mg sin theta. This is mg sin theta. And there is a normal reaction, means normal to the inclined plane. This is a normal reaction. And in this case, in the case of inclined plane, so in the case of horizontal surface, normal reaction is equal to mg. But in the case of inclined surface, normal reaction is not equal to mg. Normal reaction is equal to mg cos theta. This is the normal reaction, mg cos theta. So now I will come to that. What is meant by angle of repose? Angle of repose. Angle of repose. So the angle of repose I called alpha. Angle of repose is alpha. And the angle of repose is nothing but the angle of the inclination, the angle of the inclined plane, so that the body on the inclined plane is just ready to slide. Just ready to slide. And a angle, but the angle దగ్గర body slide అవ్వదు. ఏ యాంగిల్, ఒక పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ దాటిన తర్వాత ఏ ఇంక్లైన్ ప్లేన్ ఏదైనా బాడీ స్లైడ్. ఆ పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిపోజ్. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉందండి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఇంక్లైన్ ప్లేన్. ఇది ఒక ఇంక్లైన్ ప్లేన్ అంటాం. ఈ ఇంక్లైన్ ప్లేన్ మీద బాడీని పెట్టాను. Body is kept on the inclined plane. The body prepared inclined plane. Okay, some inclination is there. Some inclination. Undi. So the inclination body slide out. Body slide out. Ila penchutunna inclination. Ippudu body slide. So ala pencheటప్పుడు ఏ యాంగిల్ దగ్గర అయితే నీకు which angle of inclination జస్ట్ బాడీ, ఇప్పుడు ఇది హారిజంటల్ కదా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద హారిజంటల్. మెల్లగా పెంచుతున్నా ఇలా మెల్లగా. సో మెల్లగా సపోజ్ ఇది వరకు నేను జారిపోతుంది. సపోజ్ సో ఇది హారిజంటల్, సో ఇది కూడా జారిపోతుంది. రైట్. This is a horizontal. This is horizontal. So body ఇలా ఉంది, inclination చేస్తాను. So body slide out, body slide out, body slide out. ఏదో ఒక దగ్గర బాడీ, ఏదో ఒక యాంగిల్ దగ్గర బాడీ ఏమవుతుంది, రెడీ టు స్లైడ్, రెడీ టు స్లైడ్. సో రెడీ అవుతుంది, స్లైడ్ అవడానికి రెడీ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ inclination is called, what is that? Angle of repose. At what angle is ready to slide. అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ యాంగిల్ కాకుండా ఇంకా కొంచెం యాంగిల్ పెంచితే, నేను ఈ యాంగిల్ కాకుండా ఇంకా యాంగిల్ పెంచాను, సో బాడీ ఏమవుతుంది, స్లైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో బాడీ ఈజ్ స్లైడ్. బాడీ ఇలా స్లైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇంకా యాంగిల్ పెంచితే బాడీ ఇలా స్లైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఒక పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ దగ్గర సో బాడీ జస్ట్ రెడీ టు స్లైడ్. So that angle of inclination is called, what is that? Angle of repose. So the angle of inclination at which the body on the inclined surface is just ready to slide is called angle of repose. So angle of repose. అంటే బాడీ స్లైడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు, జస్ట్ రెడీ టు స్లైడ్. బాడీ is not slide but just ready to slide. So this is angle of suppose alpha is there. This is alpha. Alpha means angle of repose. So once body is kept here, body ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసాం. సో బాడీ ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు బాడీ ఆఫ్ మాస్ m is placed. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. సో బాడీ ఆఫ్ మాస్ m is placed. ఇప్పుడు weight is acting downwards. This weight is acting downwards. This is mg and this can be resolved into components. This is alpha, that is alpha, and this is mg cos alpha, and this one is mg sin alpha. And here there is a normal reaction. Normal reaction. So the normal reaction is equal to, normal reaction is equal to, what is it? Mg cos alpha. Mg cos alpha. And the coefficient of friction between these two surfaces is mu s, is the coefficient of friction. So body is not slide. Body is at rest only. Body is at rest. Body rest. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఏంటి? బాడీ రెస్ట్ లో ఉందిగా, బాడీ రెస్ట్ లో ఉంది, బట్ బాడీ మీద కిందకి ఏ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది? mg sin alpha. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడు, మీకు అంతకుముందు చెప్పాను హారిజాంటల్ సర్ఫేస్ బై ఇక్కడ దిస్ ఈజ్ force is F is equal to suppose 5 newtons, FMS is equal to maximum static friction is equal to 30 newtons is there. This is mu s mg is there. So mu s mg is equal to 30 newtons maximum static friction, but force is 5 newtons. So force is 5 newtons, maximum static friction is 30 newtons. So that body rest, అప్పుడు frictional force అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలి? Frictional force and ఏం చెప్పాలని చెప్పాను. So this is the applied force. It is the maximum static frictional force. Applied force is less than the maximum static frictional force. So what is the frictional force now? ఇప్పుడు బాడీకి మధ్యలో ఉండే, బాడీకి దీనికి మధ్యలో ఉండే ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ వెరీ గుడ్ 5 is there. అంటే ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అప్లైడ్ ఫోర్స్. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడు, ఇక్కడ మాక్సిమం స్టాటిక్ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? FMS is equal to mu s into n. FMS is equal to mu s into n. So this is equal to mu s into n ante mg cos alpha. This is FMS. But here applied force is equal to mg sin alpha. So this applied force is less than the FMS. Suppose if F is less than the FMS, applied force is less than the FMS. Applied force is less than the FMS. What is the frictional force? Frictional force is equal to em rastam cheppandi nenu ikkada. What is the frictional force here? Cheppandi, what is the frictional force? F is less than FMS, so that F is less than FMS. Applied force is less than FMS. So frictional force is equal to applied force. So frictional force is equal to applied force. Applied force means what is that? Mg. Applied force means what is that? Mg sin alpha. So this is mg sin alpha. Okay, mg sin alpha. So mg sin alpha రాయొచ్చు. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కేసులో ఇది రెడీ టు స్లైడ్ కదా. రెడీ టు స్లైడ్ అంటే here this frictional force is less than FMS, we can write like this. ఈ పర్టికులర్ కేస్ లో రెడీ టు స్లైడ్. రెడీ టు స్లైడ్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? This F is equal to FMS. F is equal to FMS. So F is equal to FMS అయినప్పుడు frictional force is equal to mg sin alpha రాయొచ్చు, or we can write that the frictional force is equal to FMS. FMS is equal to what is that? Mu s mg cos alpha. So this is mu s mg cos alpha రాయొచ్చు frictional force. mg cos alpha. ఈ particular case, because this is angle of repose. Angle of repose means the body at this angle, the body is ready to slide, but not slide, ready to slide. Okay, ready to slide. So that in this particular case, if the angle of repose is there, so the frictional force is equal to mg sin alpha, or the frictional force is equal to mu s mg cos alpha. Mu s mg cos alpha. We'll arrive to. Suppose here, if the this is if see there is inclined plane, this is a theta is less than alpha. Angle of inclination is less than angle of repose. Angle of inclination is less than angle of repose. Yeah, this is M. Angle of inclination is less than angle of repose. So angle of inclination is less than angle of repose. See, this weight is acting downwards. This is mg, and here this is theta, na? Theta. It is mg cos theta, and this one is what is it? Mg sin theta, and this is what is it? N here, and this N is equal to mg cos theta, and is equal to mg cos theta. So this theta is less than alpha, and the body is at rest only. Body is at rest. So this applied force is must be less than. Ikkada compulsory cheppochu. Ikkada applied force is equal to FMS and Japan because body is just ready to slide. But here this applied force is less than FMS. So the frictional force is must be equal to applied force. Frictional force is equal to what is that? Mg sin theta. Here, frictional force is equal to mg sin theta. Right? That is mg sin theta. At this angle of repose, if the angle of inclination is less than angle of repose, angle of inclination is less than angle of repose. Definitely, body rest lo untadi. Body rest lo unnappudu. So this is what is it? This is mg sin theta. Mg sin theta is applied force. So down the plane. But body is at rest. Body rest lo undante. Ee direction lo nikku untadi frictional force antadi. So that frictional force is must be equal to applied force. In this direction there is a frictional force. So this frictional force is must be equal to applied force. So applied force is mg sin theta. Right? Okay. Okay now. It's completed. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Suppose here there is this theta is greater than alpha. Angle of repose కంటే more ఉంటాయి. The angle of inclination is greater than alpha. Angle of inclination is greater than alpha. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు angle of inclination is greater than alpha అయితే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? So body is slides over the surface. Body sliding, sliding with an acceleration, an acceleration to slide. So in particular case now the weight is acting downwards. Let us see. So weight is acting downwards. See that? That is mg. And this weight can be resolved into components. This is mg cos theta, and it is mg Sine theta, and definitely the direction low there is a frictional force. So once the body is sliding here, body slide out kabatti, this friction is a kinetic friction. A frictional force ni emantam manam kinetic friction. Body is sliding because angle of inclination is more than the angle of repose. Angle of inclination is more than the angle of repose. So the body is sliding. So here there is a normal reaction. Normal reaction is there. This is the normal reaction. It is N. See, the normal reaction is N is equal to here. N is equal to mg cos theta. In this, frictional force is not equal to applied force. Avutunda? Frictional force is not equal to applied force because body is sliding. Body slide అవుతుంది. Body slide అవుతుంటే frictional force is equal to applied force అవుతుందా? చెప్పండి. Frictional force is equal to applied force avutunda. Body is sliding. Is the frictional force is equal to applied force? Come on, tell me. Is the frictional force is equal to applied force? No. Frictional force is not equal to applied force. So appudu frictional force, you know that frictional force Fk is directly proportional to N. Fk is equal to mu k into N, and this frictional force is equal to mu k. N means mg cos theta. This is the frictional force. This frictional force, right? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఈ మూడు డయాగ్రామ్స్ చూస్తాం. Angle of repose, the angle of inclination is equal to angle of repose. Frictional force అనేది mg sin alpha అవ్వచ్చు, లేదా mu s mg cos alpha అవ్వచ్చు. రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా కరెక్టే. mg sin alpha applied force or equal to maximum static frictional force. mg sin alpha అవ్వచ్చు, mu s mg cos alpha అవ్వచ్చు. ఒకవేళ angle of inclination is less than angle of repose అయితే the frictional force is equal to applied force only. Frictional force is equal to applied force and frictional force is equal to mg sin theta. And these two cases, that frictional force is a static frictional force, body is at rest on. Body rest on kabatti. Aa rendu cases lo frictional force a frictional force static frictional force. Static friction. So if the inclination, angle of inclination is greater than angle of repose, the angle of inclination is greater than angle of repose. Now the frictional force, body is sliding here. That frictional force is a kinetic friction. Kinetic friction. What is the kinetic friction? How to find out the kinetic friction? Okay. Fk is equal to mu k mg cos theta. Mu k mg cos theta. That is here. Right? Yes. Now I will come. This is the basic concept of inclined plane. Inclined plane is the basic concept. Now I will come to that motion of the body, motion of body on an inclined plane. Motion of body on an inclined plane. So motion of the body on an inclined plane will come. Is it completed? Completed enough? Yes, it is complete. Yeah. See, suppose దీని మీద అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ అలా దీని మీద అడిగే క్వశ్చన్. సో బాడీ is kept here. Definitely గా తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే బాడీ is kept here. So what you know here, there is a weight. M is there. Weight is acting vertically downwards. That is mg. And this can be resolved into components. This is alpha. Mg cos alpha. And this is mg sin alpha. And this one is a normal reaction. Normal reaction. So you know the normal reaction is equal to mg cos alpha. Normal reaction. So this is I call it applied force. So if this mg sin alpha is continuously acting, mg sin alpha is continuously acting more time, so that this is the minimum force to slide the body. Body ni slide cheyadaniki minimum force idi. So it is a very very important question. If mg sin theta is continuously acting because of this mg sin alpha, if the body is slides, body okavela slide aite with an acceleration, definitely ga ee direction lo what friction is there? Kinetic friction. Slide ayindi ante ee direction lo ఏ friction untundi? Kinetic friction. So now I want to find out this acceleration. ఎప్పుడు if mg sin theta sin alpha is, if mg sin alpha, if mg sin alpha is continuously acting on the body, and the body is slides, act ayi okavela body slide aite, and the body is slides over the inclined surface. Inclined surface. Body slides over the inclined surface. The body slides over the inclined surface. So now, what is the acceleration? And if ఇప్పుడు mg sin alpha attack అవుతుంది, fk attack అవుతుంది. fk అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చునండి? fk is equal to mu k into m. That is equal to mu k into mg cos alpha. That is fk. So the resultant force here ma is equal to mg sin alpha minus what is that? Fk. So this is equal to mg sin alpha minus fk means mu k mg cos alpha. So this is ma. So here this m is cancelled. A is equal to sin alpha minus mu k cos alpha into what is it? G is there. This is the acceleration. This is the acceleration. This is acceleration. This is the minimum acceleration. The body is sliding over that rough inclined surface. This is the minimum acceleration. The body is sliding over the rough inclined surface. This is. And now I will come to that. See that. rough inclined surface, rough inclined surface, see that, rough inclined surface. So rough inclined surface, and there is a first place sliding down, body slides down. Rough inclined surface, body slides down. And then down the plane, body slides down. Body slides down. Good acceleration, time taken when velocity bottom. And suppose here this is the inclined plane, rough inclined plane. Rough inclined plane means what is it? There is a friction, and this must be, it is greater than alpha only, angle of repulse only, greater than alpha, angle of repulse. So here there is a body is kept here, mass and is kept here. So this is slides down. ఈ స్లైడ్ అయ్యే ప్రాసెస్ లో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది బోర్డు. This is M. Slide. That is M. And see that here the weight is acting downwards. Mg, and this weight can be resolved into components. This is theta. It is mg cos theta. And down the plane, one force is there, that is mg sin theta, and there is a normal reaction, and is there. So the body is sliding here with an acceleration a. It is a rough. There must be a frictional force. So this friction is a kind of friction. The friction is a kind of friction. So now, see, there is normal reaction is equal to here. Normal reaction is equal to mg cos theta. Normal reaction. And the frictional force is Fk is equal to mu k into n. This Fk is equal to mu k into n means mg cos theta. This is the frictional force. Yeah, body slides down with an acceleration a. Body slides down with an acceleration. If the body slides down, if body slides down with an acceleration a, the body slides down with an acceleration a. So blame right running ma is equal to mg sin theta minus f. Down the plane is mg sin theta, up the plane is ma is equal to mg sin theta minus f. So this ma is equal to mg sin theta minus fk is mu k mg cos theta. So this is cancelled. A is equal to g into g is taking common sin theta minus mu k cos theta. This is the acceleration. Acceleration of the body slides down the rough inclined plane. So the angle of inclination is greater than angle of repulse, I think. Angle of inclination is greater than angle of repulse. definitely the body slides over the inclined surface. So what is the acceleration of the body? Sliding down on the inclined surface, rough inclined surface, and the A is equal to G into sine theta minus mu k cos theta. Suppose here the body starts from rest at the top of the inclined plane, U is equal to 0. And this body reaches the bottom of the inclined plane. Body reaches the bottom of the inclined plane. So what is the velocity at this place? And what is the time taken to reach? Velocity and the time taken to reach. So the length of the inclined plane is L. L is the length of the inclined plane. Okay. L is the length of the inclined plane. So what is the time taken to reach the bottom? And what is the velocity at the bottom of the inclined plane? If it is starts from rest at the top of the inclined plane. So top of the inclined plane మీద rest లో start అయ్యి సో ఇలా స్లైడ్ అయ్యి బోటం దగ్గరకు వచ్చేటప్పుడు దాని వెలాసిటీ ఎంత. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి రావడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది? ఇఫ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది inclined plane is L. L is the length of the inclined plane. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం మనం. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడు. సో u is equal to 0. వీని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, టైం ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. s is equal to L. యాక్సలరేషన్ ఉంది, యాక్సలరేషన్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. g into sin theta minus uk cos theta. We find the acceleration. Acceleration find out చేసాం. So now how to find out the time and the velocity? Time and velocity ఎలా find out చేస్తాం? ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Here s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is equal to 0, ut is equal to 0. S means L is equal to half. A means this is G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta into t square. Yes. So t square is equal to 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So this t is equal to what is it? Root over 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. This is the time taken to reach the bottom of the inclined plane. The bottom of the inclined plane to reach our activity. So what is the time taken? Time taken to reach the bottom of the inclined plane. So t is equal to root over 2L by G into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Sin theta minus theta cos theta. And what is the velocity at the bottom of the inclined plane? Velocity at the bottom of the inclined plane. So you know here v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So u is equal to 0. This term is equal to 0. This term is equal to 0. So now here v square is equal to 2. A means G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta into S is equal to L and V is equal to root over 2GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta is the velocity at the bottom of the inclined plane. So when the body slides down the inclined plane. So body slides down the inclined plane. So what is the acceleration? Acceleration is G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. And what is the time taken to reach the bottom of the inclined plane? If the body starts from rest at the top of the inclined plane, of length of the inclined plane is L. And what is the time taken? And T is equal to root over 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. And what is the velocity of the body at the bottom of the inclined plane? And T is equal to root 2GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Right? All of you understand? So body slides down the incline. Quick. Come on, tell me, understand all of you? Is it clear? Right. Okay, ma. Right. Right. Quick, త్వరగా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Completed now? Okay, okay. Oh. Okay, okay, right now. Let's see. Body going up the plane. అప్పుడు ఏంటి? రఫ్ ఇంక్లైన్ ప్లేన్ అప్ ద ప్లేన్. See, here mass is m. So weight is acting downwards. Let it be mg. This is theta. Mg cos theta. And this is mg sin theta. So definitely there is a friction is there in this direction. This is here. ఇప్పుడు బాడీ కిందకి స్లైడ్ అవ్వట్లేదా? బాడీ పైకి వెళ్తుంది. యాక్సలరేషన్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు బాడీ పైకి వెళ్తుంది అంటే కంపల్సరీ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కంపల్సరీ హియర్. సో బాడీ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ అప్, పైకి వెళ్తుంది. పైకి వెళ్తుంది అంటే ఇది కిందకి యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది ఫోర్స్, ఆల్రెడీ ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఉంది. మరి ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు అది దాంట్లో అది పైకి అలా వెళ్ళిద్ది, వెళ్ళదుగా. పైకి మనం తీసుకెళ్ళాలి బాడీ. అంటే నువ్వు ఇంకొక ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఫ్రిక్షన్ అండ్ ఎంజీ సైన్ థీటా ఉంది. ఈ ఎంజీ సైన్ థీటాని ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో కనుక నువ్వు ఎంజీ సైన్ థీటాకి ఈక్వల్ గా ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో నువ్వు ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే దెన్ ద బాడీ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ అప్ వెళ్ళడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు వెళ్ళదు కదా, పైకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఈ ఫోర్స్ ని నువ్వేం చేయాలి, బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఈ ఎంజీ సైన్ థీటా ఫోర్స్ ని అప్లై చేయించాలి. అప్లై చేపిస్తే సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్, దెన్ ద బాడీ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ అప్. అప్పుడు వెళ్తుంది బాడీ పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో అప్పుడు పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అంటే, సో పైకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫోర్సెస్ యాక్టింగ్ హియర్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫోర్సెస్ యాక్టింగ్, దీనికి ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్. Suppose if the body is going up the plane, if body is going up the plane, అప్పుడు resultant force is equal to దీన్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి ప్లస్ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్, mg sin theta ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి ప్లస్ ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్. ఇంత ఫోర్స్ ని పైకి అప్లై చేయాలి. ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ కి ఎంత ఫోర్స్ ఉందో అపోజింగ్ ఉందో దాని అంత ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఈ mg sin theta అప్లై చేయాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మినిమం ఫోర్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ద బాడీ ఇస్ స్లైడ్స్, ద బాడీ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ అప్. The body is going up. What is the minimum force required? This is the minimum force required. mg sin theta plus what is it? So this is mg sin theta plus fk is equal to mu k mg cos theta. This is mg. Now see, a is equal to g into sin theta plus mu k cos theta. This is the acceleration to go up the plane. This is acceleration. You can time taken కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు, from bottom to top time taken. Time taken from bottom to top. ఇంకా నేనేమి ఈక్వేషన్ రాసి s is equal to ut plus half k t square రాసి చేయట్లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ గా రాస్తున్నాను. t is equal to root over 2l by g into sin theta plus mu k cos theta. అక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది డౌన్ ద ప్లేన్, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది. మరి బాడీని పైకంటే ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేయాలిగా, ఇక్కడ ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంత వెలాసిటీ, u వెలాసిటీ ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి టాప్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి ఇది వెలాసిటీ v is equal to 0 ఆగిపోవాలి. అప్పుడు వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రొజెక్షన్ at the bottom of the inclined plane. So velocity of the projection, velocity of projection, velocity of the projection at the bottom of inclined plane, at the bottom of inclined plane. So what is the velocity of the projection at the bottom of inclined plane? u1 root over what is it, 2gl into sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Sin theta plus mu k cos, that is, అంటే ఏం లేదు, అక్కడేమో మైనస్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడేమో ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది. అప్ ద ప్లేన్ ప్లస్ ఉంటుంది, డౌన్ ద ప్లేన్ మైనస్. So this is time taken and everything that is for working and the bottom నుంచి టాప్ కి ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు అప్ ద ప్లేన్. This is what is meant by rough inclined plane. And now we'll come to the smooth inclined plane. Smooth inclined plane means no friction. Smooth inclined plane. అంటే some minimum inclination ఉండాలి కదా slide వాళ్ళకి. So this is the length of the inclined plane L, and this is the height of the inclined plane, and it is the base of the inclined plane, that is x. Base of the inclined plane. So now the body is kept here. This is the body. It's kept here. So the body is sliding. So once the body is sliding here and reaches at this point, reach at the blue. So body is there here. This is it. Yeah. So the weight of the body is acting downwards like this. mg cos theta. So there is no friction. Friction is equal to 0. It's smooth. Friction is equal to 0. So now, see, n is equal to mg cos theta. N is equal to mg cos theta. And the force, because body is sliding here with an acceleration here, slides down. Slides with an acceleration here. If the body slides over inclined plane, slides over inclined plane. If the body slides over the smooth inclined plane, so what is it? ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఫోర్స్ ఇది కదా రిజల్టెంట్ ఫోర్స్ is equal to what is said only mg sin theta. So this a is equal to g sin theta. So the acceleration of the body on and smooth inclined plane is g sin. Acceleration is g sin theta. And what is the velocity at this point? And what is the time taken to reach? Time taken to reach bottom of the equation. So the time taken, see here, what is it? U is equal to 0. S is equal to L. We need to find out CR. T ni find out CR. ये తెలుసు. G sin theta. G sin theta అని తెలుసు. అప్పుడు నేను S is equal to time taken to reach the bottom of the equation. So time taken to reach bottom of inclined plane. Time taken to reach the bottom of inclined. So time taken to reach the bottom of inclined plane, I have to use that. S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is. S means what is it? L is equal to half. A means g sin theta into t square. T square is equal to 2L by g sin theta, and t is equal to root over 2L by g sin theta. This is the time taken. And this time taken in terms of length of the inclined plane. And sometimes you will ask that in terms of height of the inclined plane and base of the inclined plane, especially for the smooth inclined plane. Especially in the smooth inclined plane, height of the inclined plane is given or base of the inclined plane will be given. If you choose from the triangle, this is the triangle. Suppose A, B, C triangle. Sin theta is equal to what is it? H by L. Cos theta is equal to what is it? X by L. అప్పుడు L is equal to what is it? H by sin theta. L is equal to here x by cos theta. X by cos theta. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం అక్కడ time taken t is equal to root over 2 by g sin theta into L place లో ఏం పెట్టాలి నేను h by sin theta. అప్పుడు t is equal to root over 2h by g sin square theta. అప్పుడు t is equal to 1 by sin theta root over 2h by g. This is the time taken in terms of the height of the inclined. In terms of the height of the inclined plane. So t is equal to 1 by sin theta root 2h by g. In terms of the length of the inclined plane, t is equal to root 2l by g sin theta. 2l by g sin theta. Is it completed this one? This part is completed. This part. But Durga, the part complete ainda. Already t is equal to l by g sin theta just ఇక్కడ triangle right angle triangle sin theta is equal to h by l cos theta is equal to x by l అంటే perpendicular by hypotenuse base by hypotenuse. So l is equal to h by sin theta, l is equal to x by cos theta. ఇక్కడ root 2 by g sin theta into l place లో ఇక్కడ l ఉంది కదా 2 by g sin theta l place లో h by sin theta 2h by g sin square theta. ఈ sin square theta బయట తీసుకొస్తే sin theta t is equal to 1 by sin theta root 2h by g. Right? Okay now. Yeah. So ఇప్పుడు in terms of the base of the inclined plane, what is the time taken? In terms of the base of the inclined plane, what is the time taken? And I see t is equal to root over 2 by g sin theta into l kada ఇక్కడ 2 by g sin theta into l. L అంటే ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు బేస్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది బేస్ 2 by g sin theta into l is equal to x by cos theta. X by cos theta. So t is equal to root over 2x by g sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే root over 2x by g 2 sin theta cos theta into 2. అంటే నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను ఇంకో స్టెప్ కదా sin theta cos theta into 2 చేస్తున్నా divided by 2 చేస్తున్నా వాల్యూలో ఏం చేంజ్ రాదు కదా into 2 divided by 2 value does not change. అప్పుడు t is equal to root over 4x by g into 2 sin theta cos theta. You know that 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta and sin 2 theta. But t is equal to root over 4x by g sin 2 theta. This is the timetable in terms of the base. In terms of the base of the implant. X means base. That is in terms of the length. That is in terms of the height of the implant. So now, the velocity to reach the bottom of the implant. So what is the velocity to reach the bottom of the implant? See that. Velocity to reach bottom of inclined plane. Velocity to reach the bottom of the inclined plane. So what is the velocity to reach the bottom of the inclined plane? 80. ఏముంది ఇక్కడ v square minus u square is equal to 2as కదా u is equal to 0. So v square is equal to 2. A అంటే g sin theta into L అంటే v is equal to 2gl sin theta under root. V is equal to 2gl sin theta under root. This is the length of the inclined plane. So length of the inclined plane తెలిసినప్పుడు what is the in terms of the height of the inclined plane. అంటే ఏం చేద్దాం v is equal to root 2g L అంటే h by sin theta into what is that sin theta is there. See 2g L sin 2g L and h by sin theta into sin theta cancel. V is equal to root 2g h in terms of the height of the theta. Next. In terms of the base of the implant. So V is equal to root 2g L అంటే x by cos theta. X by cos theta. X by cos theta into what is that sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. So V is equal to root 2gx tan theta. This is in terms of base of the implant. So in terms of the height of the implant plane, in terms of the base of the implant plane, in terms of length of the implant plane. Right? All of you understand? Yes. But దీంట్లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? How to ask the questions on this? అంటే చూడు completed. Complete అయిందా? Yes. Question. So there are two inclined planes of same inclination and same length. Same inclination and same length. One is rough, another one is smooth. One is rough, another one is smooth. So the body is sliding down. The body is sliding down. The body of Mars length is sliding down. On the rough inclined plane and reaches the bottom. The time taken is at T1. And అప్పుడు T1 is equal to ఏం రాస్తాం మనం ఇక్కడ root over 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta రాస్తాం. That is. And here the same body is sliding down on the smooth inclined plane. Slides down the smooth inclined plane and reaches the bottom. The time taken is at T. T2 is equal to m sum. T2 is equal to root over 2L by G sin theta. Given here same length of the inclined plane and the same angle of inclination. Angle of inclination is same and length is same, but one is rough, another one is smooth. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. So which time is more, which time is less? T1 is more or T2 is more? ఏది more గా ఉంటది? బాడీని ఇక్కడ వదిలేను, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ వదిలేను, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. ఏది లెస్ టైం లో, ఏ ప్లేన్ మీద లెస్ టైం లో బాడీ బాటమ్ కి రీచ్ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి నాకు. ఏ ప్లేన్ స్మూత్ రఫ్? బాటమ్ కి రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే, తక్కువ టైంలో రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏ ప్లేన్ మీద నుంచి వదిలితే తక్కువ టైంలో రీచ్ అవుతుంది? స్మూత్. Yes, smooth, right, smooth. అంటే so definitely T2 is less, T1 is more. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే if క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, if T1 is equal to n times T2, n times T2, then quotient of friction is T1 is equal to n times T2, then quotient of friction is so T1 is equal to n times T2, then what is the quotient of friction? So T1 means this one here, root over 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to n times root over 2L by G sin theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what is that? This is 2L by G into sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to n square 2L by G sin theta. So this 2L is cancelled, G and G is cancelled. Yes. To take cross multiplication, what is that? N square sin theta minus n square mu k cos theta is equal to sin theta. Sin theta into 1 mega sin theta. So now see here, there is n square sin theta minus sin theta is equal to n square mu k cos theta. So sin theta is taken common, n square minus 1. Sin theta is taken common, n square minus 1 is equal to n square mu k cos theta. So this mu k is equal to, what is that? Sin theta into n square minus 1 by n square cos theta. So this is mu k is equal to sin theta by cos theta n square minus 1 by n square. So this is mu k is equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square. You are right, too. This is the way you have to find out that n 2 times or 3 times or 4 times or what is that? n. ఇలా డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇదే ఫార్మ్ ప్రాబ్లం అడగొచ్చు, అయితే దీన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్ గా చేసుకుని కూడా n సపోజ్ 2 times 3 times యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ 45 degrees, సో యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ 60 degrees ఇలా ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఇలా ఇస్తే you can find out this. Or so we can write that mu k is equal to tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. 1 minus 1 by n square. This is. Well, if you understand, otherwise, how to find out that the quotient of friction of the rough and tunnel tank is the time taken is n times G. v2 is equal to n times చేస్తారుగా then mu k చేస్తారా చేయలేరా v2 is equal to n times v1 then mu k come on tell me చేస్తారా చేయలేరా v2 is and it is down the plane so ఇప్పుడు నేనేం రాయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ time takens see so time taken t1 is equal to root over 2l by g into sin theta minus bk cos theta but here up the plane kada t2 is equal to root over 2l by g into sin theta plus mu k cos theta ఏది మోర్ రా చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు t1 మోరా t2 మోరా t1 more or t2 more time t1 is more or t2 is more t2 more t1 కొంతమంది t1 అంటారు కొంతమంది t2 t1 ఇక్కడ చూసుకోండి డినామినేటర్ is root over 2l by g into sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to n times root over 2l by g into sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Both sides square chalo. Upward what is it? 2l by g into sin theta minus uk cos theta is equal to n square into 2l by g into sin theta minus plus uk cos theta. So this is the sin theta plus uk cos theta take cross multiplication is equal to n square sin theta minus n square take cos theta. N square take cos theta. See. It is taken that side. Already here mu k is there. Plus n square cos theta is equal to here n square sin theta and sin theta. Minus sin theta. N square sin theta is there. Minus sin theta. Here mu k cos theta is taken common. 1 plus n square is equal to sin theta is taken common n square minus. So this mu k is equal to sin theta by cos theta. It is n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. So this is mu k is equal to tan theta into ఇలా ఇంకా వాడు వెలాసిటీస్ అని అడిగి వెలాసిటీస్ ఏది మోర్ ఉంటది ఇవన్నీ రఫ్ అండ్ ఫ్లై ప్లేన్ సో రఫ్ అండ్ ఫ్లై ప్లేన్ డౌన్ ది ప్లేన్ అయితేనేమో వెలాసిటీ bottom velocity at the bottom అంటాడు. Up the plane అయితే velocity of the projection అంటాడు. Ratio of velocities of projection velocity with which it strikes the what is at the bottom of the inclined plane ఇలా అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. సో ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఈజీగా చేసేయచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ తెలుసు కాబట్టి సో వాడు ఎలా ఇచ్చిన వెలాసిటీస్ మీద ఇచ్చిన టైమ్స్ మీద ఇచ్చిన చేస్తారు అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో వెలాసిటీస్ టు టైమ్స్ ఇది ఈ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయగలరు కదా. ఓకే ఓకే some part is smooth and some part is rough. When the part is smooth and weak, when the part is rough and inclined plane is same inclined plane. Some part is smooth and some part is rough. So all is low, all situation low. ఎలా మనం చేస్తాం వాట్ ది లాస్ ఏమవుతుందా. Suppose here animation is there. RCM starts from west. ఇక్కడ కొంత పార్ట్ వరకు సపోజ్ here there is rough, కొంత పార్ట్ వరకు రఫ్ ఉంది and కొంత పార్ట్ స్మూత్ and this is rough. ఇలా ఉండాలి. So ఈ length suppose here what is it this length ఎంత length smooth ఎంత length rough అంటే suppose here L by 2 అనుకుందాం. ఇదేమవుతుంది L by 4. Okay. So here there is ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి the velocity at this place is v1 and the velocity at this place is v2. Suppose velocity at that place is v2. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి velocity v1 అంటే velocity v is equal to v1 is equal to root over 2gl by 2 2gl by 2 g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది స్మూత్ కదా, స్మూత్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వెలాసిటీ ఏంటి, వాట్ ఇస్ ద వెలాసిటీ అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. సో v2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v1 స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2al by 2. అంటే ఈ ప్లేన్ కి ఈ పార్ట్ కి దిస్ ఈస్ ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ, ఇది ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ. v2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v1 స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2al by 2. So v2 square minus v1 square is equal to 2. A అంటే g sin theta into L by 2. అంతేగా g sin theta into L by 2. And see. G sin theta. Okay. This is cancel. This is V1 is equal to, so root over what is that L into allow for G into sin theta minus. Okay. So this is equal to GL into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర వెలాసిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి. V2 దగ్గర వెలాసిటీ. సో V2 దగ్గర వెలాసిటీ కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే what is that? So how to find out that velocity at V2? V2 దగ్గర velocity ఎలా find out? So V2 square minus V1 square. V1 square is equal to what is that? V1 square is equal to GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Sin theta minus mu k cos theta. So this is GL into sin theta minus mu k cos theta is equal to G sin theta. G sin theta. So V2 square is equal to G sin theta. Okay, G, what is it? L also is there. GL sin theta. GL sin theta. Plus GL sin theta minus mu k GL cos theta. So this V2 is equal to 2GL sin theta minus mu k GL cos theta. So V2 square is equal to. So V2 is equal to. So what is that here? GL is taken common 2 sin theta minus mu k cos theta under root. This is the velocity at the bottom. Bottom దగ్గర velocity. ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు రఫ్ దగ్గర velocity and bottom దగ్గర velocity, smooth velocity. Suppose n times అలా ఇచ్చి mu k లో find out చేయాలి. దాట్లాగా mu k లో find out చేయాలి. What is mu k అంటే? Okay. So mu k ని find out చేయమన్నప్పుడు ఈజీగా నువ్వు అంటే ఇక్కడ వెలాసిటీ is equal to velocity at the bottom of the inclined plane is equal to some n times the velocity is something అలా ఇచ్చి and ask that quotient of friction find out చేయమంటే quotient of friction find out చేయమంటే ఈజీగా find out చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so this is the concept of friction concept అయిపోయింది. So రేపు మీకు solely problems on the inclined planes and some of the problems and ఒక 10 to 15 models